Here's how to improve your landing page speed in Unbounce. Landing page speed in Unbounce is crucial because it directly affects conversion rates, ad quality scores, and user experience. A slow loading page can make visitors leave before even seeing your offer. So, optimizing for speed is essential. One of the biggest factors that affect page speed is image size and format. Use JPEG instead of PNG whenever possible. PNG files are larger and require more data to load, while JPEGs are lighter and faster. Keep hero images under 250 kilobytes to reduce page load time. Compress images before uploading. In the classic builder, click your image and under Element Properties, enable Apply PNG compression if you're using PNG files. For JPEGs, you can reduce the image quality slider to optimize the size even more. Also, avoid using oversized background images, always scale them to the display size you need. Next practice is to minimize JavaScript usage. Too many third-party scripts can slow your page dramatically. Only keep essential scripts, like those for analytics or conversion tracking. Remove unused widgets, chat tools, or tracking pixels. Use Google Tag Manager GTM to consolidate and manage multiple tracking scripts efficiently. Also, limit the overall effects in your page. Animations may look great, but often come at the cost of speed. Reduce or remove unnecessary animation effects on buttons, text, or images. Keep interactions simple and functional to reduce processing load. Talking about text, use system fonts only. Custom fonts, like Google Fonts, add extra load time since they need to be fetched externally. Prefer system fonts like Arial or Helvetica. If you must use a custom font, limit it to one font family only. Each redirect adds an extra step before your page loads. Use direct URLs in your ads and tracking links. Remove any redundant redirects between domains or tracking systems. You can check your landing page performance using Google Page Speed Insights. Go to Page Speed Insights, enter your Unbounce landing page URL, click Analyze to view your results. Review your core web vitals, including largest contentful paint, LCP, that measures loading performance, and interaction to next paint, INP, that measures responsiveness. If your report shows fast, your landing page is well optimized. If not, focus on improving these areas. And that's how to improve your landing page speed in Unbounce.